Hello students, I Neela ma'am here. I am going to teach you how to find the HCF. In my first video, I have taught you how to find HCF by finding all the factors, by listing all the factors, and second method was by prime factorization method. Today I am going to discuss here the third method, that is short division method. How to find the HCF by short division method. In this method, you will divide all the numbers by a common factor of all. Common factors of all. And continue this process till there is no common factor for all of them. Suppose you are given here numbers 32, 216, 144, and you are asked to find the HCF. Here you will write the numbers in this way. Write the numbers in this way: 32, 216, 144. Now when you look at these three numbers, you see that all of three are divisible by 2, and 2 is also a prime number. You will take the prime number. Okay, you will divide all the numbers by a common factor, of all. जो सभी, सपोज आप 2 ले रहे हो तो 2 32 को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है, 216 को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है, 144 को भी डिवाइड कर रहा है. देन यू हैव टेकन 2. ओके, यू हैव डिवाइडेड 32 बाय 2. 32 बाय 2. 2 1 जा 2, and from 3 we have taken 2. 1 and 2 6, 12. So 2 6 जा 12. Then divide 216 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. When you take two numbers together, then we put a 0. 2 8 ja 16. It will become 108. Then divide this 144 by 2. 2 7 ja 14. 2 2 ja 4. Now when you look at these numbers 16, 108, 72, all these three numbers are divisible by 2. A common factor of all is 2. Divide again by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 6 ja 12. Now again when you look at this number 8, 54, 36, all these three numbers again can be divided by 2, by the common factor 2. 2, then 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 1 and 4 14, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Now when you look at these number 4, 27, 18, only 4 and 18 can be divided by 2, but 27 can't be divided by 2. So we will leave all this as it is, and because all the three numbers should be divisible by the common factors, all the three. Okay, here condition how to find the HCF by short division method is divide all the numbers by a common factor of all, and continue this process till there is no common factor. Now there is no common factor of all of three. Then so the HCF of the given numbers will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 will be the HCF. 8 will be the HCF. Now let's consider other example. Find HCF by short division method. We have taken these numbers 28, 35, 49. Now when you look at these numbers, you see that common factor of all these three is 7. 7 can divide 28, 35 also, 49 also. So we have taken 7. 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja 49. Okay. Now when you look at this number 4, 5 and 7, there is no common factor, means all these can't be divided by a common factor except 1. 1 तो करेगा ही divide. So we will leave all these number as it is, and this 7 will be HCF of all these numbers of 28, 35, 49. HCF क्या होता है? एक वो नंबर होता है जो ये गिवन तीनों नंबर को पूरा completely डिवाइड करता है. HCF is the number which divides the given three numbers exactly. Then we divide 28, 35, 49 by a common factor 7. of all and continue this process till there is no common factor for all of them. अब यहाँ पर आकर हम रुक जाते हैं 4, 5 और 7, तो इसमें कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है कि कोई एक ऐसा नंबर नहीं है कि जिससे ये सारे नंबर्स डिवाइड हो जाएं एक्सेप्ट 1. तो हम यहाँ पे इस प्रोसेस को स्टॉप कर देंगे. अगर यहाँ पे अगर होता 4 या 6 होता 8 होता तो 2 से वो हम कॉमन फैक्टर लेके उसको डिवाइड कर सकते थे, लेकिन ये तीनों नंबर्स में कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है एक्सेप्ट 1. देन वी डिवाइड दिस 28, 35, 49 by a common factor 7 of all and continue this process till there is no common factor of all of them. The product of the common factors will be the HCF of these numbers. Here common factor of, अब यहाँ पे 28, 35, 49 का ये common factor क्या है, यहाँ पे only एक 7 है. ओके, तो HCF is 7. So HCF will be 7. In this way you will find the HCF by short division method. This method is called short division method. In this method you will divide all the numbers by a common factor of all and continue this process till there is no common factor for all of them. Now fourth method is continued or long division method. Continued or long division method. In this method, step 1 is in long division method, first divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Divide the bigger number by the smaller number. If the remainder is 0. Step 2, if the remainder is 0, you will continue dividing till you get 0. Then the smaller number is the HCF of the numbers. Smaller number is the HCF of the number. The last divisor will be HCF. If there is a remainder, then consider this remainder as new divisor and then divide the smaller number by the new divisor. Then repeat this process until there is no remainder. The last divisor is the required HCF of the given numbers. Suppose you are given here numbers, find the HCF of 144, 252, 330 by continued division method. In this method, you will first take these two numbers 144 and this is the bigger number, this will be taken as dividend, and 144 the smaller number will be taken as divisor. Now divide this 252 by 144, 144 1 ja 144, the remainder is here 108. Now this remainder will be considered as divisor and the previous divisor will be taken as dividend. This previous divisor will be taken as dividend here 144. Now divide by 108 1 ja 108. Now you have got remainder 36. Now this remainder will be considered a divisor and the previous divisor will be taken as dividend 108. The previous 108 will be taken as dividend. Divide this 108 by 36. You will recite table of 36 till 3. You have got 3. You have got 0 as remainder. You have got 0 as remainder. Now this is the last divisor. You have got 0. This is the last divisor. Now you will consider this 36 and the third number 330. Now you will find HCF of this last divisor and the third number 330. You will divide this 36 by 36. You will divide 330 by 36 and recite table of 36 is 9. You have got 324. Remainder is 6. Now this remainder is taken as divisor and this previous 36 will be taken as dividend. Recite table of 6 till 6 36. Now you have got 0 as remainder. This last divisor will be called the HCF of the given 3 numbers. Therefore, HCF of 144, 252 and 330 is 6. It is 6. In this way you will get the HCF by continued division method. Let's take other example of here. Find the HCF of 224, 1500, 1440. Now take first these two numbers. This is a bigger number, take as dividend, and this 224 can be taken as divisor. Divide, recite table of 224, or you can multiply by 6. then the remainder is 156. Take this previous divisor as dividend. Divide. Again you have got remainder. Then this remainder will be taken as divisor, and the previous previous divisor will be taken as dividend here. Divide again. Again 20 you have got remainder. Then this previous 68 will be taken as dividend. Recite table of 20 till 3. You have got again 8 as remainder. Now this 8 will be taken as divisor, and the previous 20 will be taken as dividend. Divide 20 by 8. 8 2 ja 16. Then you have got again 4. You haven't got here 0. Again 4. This 4 will be taken as divisor, and the last 8 will be taken as dividend. Then 4 2 ja 8. You have got remainder as 0. Means this is the last divisor. Last divisor. You have got 4. Now you will take 4 and this third number. You will divide 4 and 1440. You will find the HCF of 4 and 1000. Now take 4 and, because 4 was the last divisor, take this and the third number. Divide. Again divide 1440 by 4. You have got 4 3 ja 12. 2 4 3 ja 12. Remainder 2 here 2, and take 4 as carry. 4 6 ja 24. Then take 0 as carry. 4 0s are 4 0. Now you have got 0 as remainder. Okay. Now this last divisor will be called the HCF. Here the last divisor is 4. So HCF of 224, 1500 and 1440 is 4. In this way you will solve exercise 3.3. You will find HCF of the numbers. You will solve this question 1 2 3 4. Okay. Thank you.